A question I get a lot is, what is a payment account? How is it different from a regular banking account? Think of a payment account as nothing more than a pseudo banking services being provided to you. You have an IBAN number where you can receive funds, you can send funds, you will be able to convert amongst different currencies if they offer it. But the couple of things that you can't do is you can't deposit a check, and you can't physically visit the branch because there is no branch to go to and deposit money in cash. As long as the transactions are electronic and they can come to an IBAN, a virtual IBAN, you can receive money. And that's what a payment account does. A payment account is actually a payment institution, a licensed payment institution in many cases, that is providing this as a service on top of a bank that they already have a relationship with. So a Payoneer account, for example, is a payment account. A Skrill account is a payment account. It can also be thought of as a stored value account, but the very minute you give it the forward-facing IBAN, from where you can receive funds, it becomes a payment account. Needless to say, because they're in the business of providing you such services, they charge for it. The charges can vary. Some of them on very high volumes and low risk business can charge you something like 10 basis points plus $5 for every transaction coming in. Some can charge as high as 1% and $25 for every transaction coming in. It depends how high or low risk the volume is and what the business of and what sort of a comfort level as far as the slider is concerned for fees does this specific payment institution set. In most cases, because money transfer operators and MSBs are finding it more and more difficult to get access to banking, payment accounts or virtual IBANs are now becoming extremely popular. If you would like to learn more about virtual IBANs and payment account, you can go to my website www.faisalkhan.com, and on the main page you will see a link towards payment accounts and explaining them in more detail. Thank you.